Hi guys, welcome back to the next video. We are back on Midstar Planet. And today we are playing Midstar Planet again, like always. And look at my new account, how pretty that is. So if you want to go add me, off you go. It is IceSnowbot. And enjoy my account. I will, of course, accept your request. And today, Amy? Oh, and today I'm speaking to Amy. But for some reason, she, isn't answering me. So, yeah. Well, I'm going to quickly text her and say, are you finished? She scared me. So you can go subscribe to my account, of course, on YouTube. That's my friend. Go subscribe to her as well. Her account is Galaxy Wolfworth. But for some reason, I think she's changed it to Snow Plays Plans MSP. So, yeah. I don't know what hashtag notification squad is, so we're gonna go ahead and see what it is. Who the hell are these people? Okay, so I'm gonna... Jeez, that scared me, guys. Scared me! Right, so she's going where's at my hashtag notification squad. So why not? Let's put hashtag notification squad in. If I can find my hashtag, guys, I can't find my hashtag. What? Oh. So go ahead to her account and put hashtag notification on notification squad in her comments. And of course do that to mine as well, because you can't just do it to me. You can't just do it to her, you have to do it to me as well. So, where is it again? I've got hashtag notification squad. I'm gonna find it up her. She's loved her own thing. So let's go ahead onto my account. I've only got one subscriber because you all guys ain't subscribing. So subscribe, please. See, upload a photo. Okay. What is this? Okay. Don't worry about that, guys. I'm sorry. I just can't take a photo. That isn't my right birthday. Okay, let's go over to Midstar Planet and let's go. BRB. It looks like burp, but it's actually be right back. BRB. Not burp. Because if you think it's burp, then what are you thinking? So when it does this, well, it doesn't normally do it. So it doesn't do it. Okay, it normally comes up with audio or something on, but it looks like it's not doing it now. So anyway, let's go in the chat. So let's just move our chat. I'm going to keep our chat. No. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, So this is how much money I have because Amy spent it. So we're going to go ahead and move it on, and we're going to go get our big present. I need autographs so that in my status. What do you guys think? That's next. So when I do my next video, comment down below what chat should I go in? Should I go in skate park, cat, beach, and I will buy a pet, but not now. So skate park, cat, or beach. I know they're all movie places, but I will soon be on that. I think I might right now go on skate park. We're just waiting. Okay, so here's the one person. There's a boy, there's a boy! There's another boy. Oh no! I just walked right away, guys. They're all in love with him. I made the most of doing it with him. No, sorry. My singing is so bad. No, he just went. Everyone probably hates my skin zone. Let's leave this. And I'm gonna get my skin tone back, guys. Because this doesn't suit me that much with everybody. It looks a little bit weird. It does so, Amy. Sorry if you're watching this, Amy, but I am gonna use this one day, but not now. Sorry. Let's see my skin tone, how I do this. This is my lip. Can you change the colour of my lip? Oh, I have to do the lip. Why did that just go so dark? Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to go on friends. Friends. So yes, I only have one friend. But who cares if I have one friend? I don't really care. Who the hell is this? Who is this? No. What is this? Is this Amy? Oh my god, please don't tell me that's Amy. Oh my god, that's Amy. My character, look at my character. My character, lol. I'm going on the mysterious type because I'm trying to find the ones that my friend has. What? Oh no. Ew no. Ah, 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 ah. I even know how to get. Ah, 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 ah. I'll teach you the glitch in a minute, guys. But first, I just have to find a site. I'll speed this up in the video when you see it. What the hell? Okay, guys, I'm gonna speed it up on the video. I'm gonna speed up on the video in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I couldn't find him, but for right now, it's been 11 minutes already. So for right now, I'm going to end this video. I know it might have been the shortest video ever, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below comment down below what chat I should do. Cast Skate Park or the beach. So comment down below what one you want me to go in. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.